In this video, we will teach you how to add a footnote and store it for later use. To add a footnote in Table 1 or 2 on the form, select Footnote next to the line you would like to attach the footnote. Type in your footnote and click Add Footnote. Now, check the box beside it under the Apply to Field column. Click Save. The footnote will appear beside the line item. You can also add footnotes from the Footnote Library outside of the filing. To do this, click on the Footnote Library link. Click the Add button. Enter the footnote and click Save. If you would like to use a saved footnote from the Footnote Library, simply click on Footnote and then select the footnote from the library on the right side of the screen. Then click Add to Filing. It will then move to the left side of the screen. Now check the Apply to Field checkbox to ensure it shows up in the filing. If you go to the Proof tab, you will see the footnote added.